back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. This is Learn Luganda, and this channel we always learn about Luganda, Buganda, and anything about speaking Luganda. Today, I'm called Peter. We are going to be looking at Luganda alphabet or letters that we use in Luganda. Luganda alphabet is composed of 24 letters. Luganda alphabet is composed of 24 letters. And today, we are going to look at those 24 letters, both in English and Luganda, so that we can differentiate them and we know which letter is called what in Luganda and English. Because some letters changes the way we pronounce them in Luganda and in English. So don't confuse the two. In Luganda, there is a way we call them, and in English, there is a way also they call them. In Luganda, we have 17 consonants. We have 17 consonants. And then we have 5 vowels, as we're going to see. I said we have 17 consonants. And again, we have 5 vowels. And then we have semi-vowels, and they are 2. Semi-vowels, they are 2. In Luganda, consonants, they are called ensirifu. Ensirifu. Those letters that can't give out a good sound when there is no vowel added on to make a sound. So in Luganda we call them ensirifu. Something which is ensirifu, it's something which can't pronounce, which can't say anything. If it is a person, and you hear they are saying that person is musirifu, means that person is always quiet. You know, so these letters, they are quiet without vowels. That's why we call them ensirifu, and those are consonants, and they are 17 in Luganda alphabet. We have vowels. In Luganda, those are emperezi. Emperezi. So these emperezi, the vowels, they are the ones that we add on the other consonants to make a clear sound. So when you get emperezi plus ensirif, when you get a consonant plus a vowel, you get a sound. You know, what we could call a complete sound. Am I clear? For example, when you get N, in Luganda it is called na. Okay? But when you write N and N, it's not a word in Luganda, unless we add a vowel and we make it a word. You know? So when you write N-A, the word is nana. Okay? So in order to get a word, we need both consonants and vowels. And remember, I told you we have 17 consonants, 5 vowels, and then 2 semi-vowels. I've told you consonants, they are ensirifu. Vowels, they are emperezi. And then there's what we call semi-vowels. They are called nampawengwa. Nampawengwa. For them, they fit anywhere. For example, we write some words and we don't put some letters next to the other some given letters. But these nampawengwas, they always fit anywhere, as we will see in the future videos. Under consonants, we have B, P, V, F, M. In Luganda, we have ba, pa, va, fa, ma. Okay? I need to go slowly. Ba, pa, va, fa, ma. B, P, V, F, M. Ba, pa, va, fa, ma. We have D, T, L, R, N. Da, ta, la, ra, na. D, T, L, R, N, da, ta, la, ra, na. Then we have Z, S, J, G, K, za, sa, ja, ga, ka. Za, sa, ja, ga, ka. And there is a way we used to sing those letters for us, so we could cram them or we could get them into our heads. We could start with the vowels. Let me finish up the vowels and I tell you how we could sing those things. Then there is vowels. In Luganda, we call them, remember, I'm sponsored by Curtain Home and Interiors. They are located at Namland and Temelodge. They have everything you need to make your house looking better. So you need to visit those people and you see what things they have. They do interior designing and they do many things. They even do delivery. They install those curtain rods, kitchen curtains. They have bed covers. They have carpets, doormats, and everything. You can call them on their number is moving there on the screen. You can reach them out and you talk to the lady called Irene. They can do for you a good work you need. So, vowels in Luganda. We have A, E, I, O, U. I said we have A, E, I, O, U. In Luganda it is A, E, I, O, U. So I told you how to say this alphabet in Luganda way, because in English way we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, blah blah blah. But in Luganda we say it differently. It is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Ba, ba, fa, fa, ma. Ba, ba, va, fa, ma. A, E, I, O, U. Ba, ba, fa, fa, ma. Da, ta, ra, ra, na. Za, sa, ja, ga, ka. Wa, ya. Semi vowels. We have W or W and then Y. In Luganda we have wa and ya. W it is wa in Luganda. Y it is ya in Luganda. So we could say in primary and secondary A, E, I, O, U. Wa, ba, ba, fa, fa, ma. Da, ta, ra, ra, na. Za, sa, ja, ga, ka. Wa, ya. So that is the alphabet in Luganda. Remember, I've told you the way we arrange them, but the arrangement does not matter. What matters is how to use them, how many are they, how do we call them in Luganda, and the laws that guide them or guide us when we are using those letters. Okay? My name is Peter. Thank you for watching. Please and please keep on subscribing on this YouTube channel. So in order to gain in any video I upload, what you have to do, whenever you finish the video, rewatch the video and then give yourself a task. For example, what is W in Luganda? Okay, what is T in Luganda? Okay, what is Z in Luganda? Okay, fine, you got me. But again, what is C in Luganda? Okay, fine. Okay. What is sa in English? Sa. What is pa in Luganda? And then what is a in English? And what is a in Luganda? Nice time. God bless you. Sasa Jakabaka Awangale. Please and please subscribe. Ciao.